Hello there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So, are you new here? If you are, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. How you been doing, my lovelies? All right, I hope so. So today we're going to make a very interesting Greek recipe, Greek-ish, because it's my version of it. So don't yell at me. We're going to make a mushroom rice gyros. It is so delicious. It's some sort of fried rice, yeah, of sorts, but with the Greek spices. But it is out of this world, easy as well as delicious. So let's get into the recipe. So what I have here, pepper, zucchini, onions, and mushroom. Now we're going to saute all the vegetables in water or oil if you prefer. And we're going to stir fry them until they're soft. Now here for the spices I have paprika, any kind, garlic powder, cumin, oregano, thyme, coriander powder, and that's it. But like I say, you can choose if you want to make more of a, I don't know, whatever kind of vibe you want to add to that and skip my spices. It's up to you, whatever floats your boat. I mean, this is your food. You do you. Now, a tiny bit of water if it's needed. So you stir fry and add water as needed. I think it's the first time that I make something Greek on this channel, isn't it? I think so. Yeah, I think it is. By the way, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. So now that everything is soft and cooked, we're going to add cooked rice. You know that overnight rice that you would otherwise throw it away because it's so little and it's not enough for the family, or you're fed up with having rice? So that is the answer. You can make a very nice gyros rice or a stir-fried, whatever you want to call. And there you go, fixed. And this is it. How amazing and how simple is this recipe. Now you can use any kind of vegetables you have. You can use frozen corn, you can use canned corn, you can use champignons, you can add anything you want, because this is, after all, your food. And we are going to garnish it with some homemade, ta-da! That is the bonus of this recipe. Greek yogurt. I made my own. I took 1 can of coconut milk, full fat coconut milk, okay? And then I added a few capsules of probiotics. I'm gonna leave the recipe below. And then I covered with a paper towel. And then I left overnight at room temperature. So for 24 hours, and then Greek yogurt, my lovelies. So we're gonna garnish with that with a little bit of lemon, a few drops of lemon, and some parsley or coriander, whatever you prefer. And this is it. Let me know if you make it again. I want to repeat myself because I love when you... Also, I have something to say to you. Sometimes if you make something and if it doesn't work, don't give up, because that's what the culinary and the food arts is about. It's a trial and error, and then there you go, and then you can learn something along the way, you know, because lots of very nice foods that we have nowadays, they turned out amazing due to repeated mistakes. So if we're smart, we can learn from that, right? And this is it. I see you next time. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and don't forget to tag me if you make any of my food. And take care of each other. Until then, bye.